Hello, and welcome to another episode of Talklish, the podcast where English gets easy, natural, and fun. I'm your host, Mark, and today I have something very special for you. Are you ready? This episode is all about daily English phrases you need to know. Not just grammar rules, not long, confusing expressions, but real phrases, useful phrases, phrases that people use every day. When you're shopping, when you're chatting, when you're meeting someone new, these phrases will help you speak more naturally and understand more clearly. Today's lesson is going to be in a slow version. So if you're a beginner, or if you just want to listen carefully and follow every word, this is for you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Greetings and small talk. Let's start with the basics. Simple phrases you use when you meet people. Here are a few examples. 1. How's it going? This phrase is a casual way to ask, how are you doing? You can use it with friends, co-workers, even with people you meet at a cafe. Let's try it. How's it going? You can answer, good, thanks. Not bad. Pretty good. How about you? Say it with me. How's it going? Pretty good. How about you? 2. What have you been up to? This is used when you haven't seen someone for a while. It means, what have you been doing lately? Try this. Hey, long time no see. What have you been up to? Oh, just working a lot. How about you? Repeat with me. What have you been up to? Just working a lot. 3. Nice seeing you. This is a polite way to end a conversation. You might say, anyway, I should get going. It was nice seeing you. Yeah, you too. Take care. Now you try. It was nice seeing you. You too. Take care. Great job. Part 2. At the store or restaurant. Let's move on. You're in a shop, or maybe a restaurant. What do you say? 4. Can I help you find anything? The worker might say this to you. You can answer, yes, I'm looking for black shoes. No thanks, just looking. Now you try it. Can I help you find anything? Yes, I'm looking for a size large. 5. Can I get this to go? You're at a restaurant, but you want takeout. So you say, can I get this to go? Or, if you're finished eating and want to take the rest, you can say, can I get a box? Repeat with me. Can I get this to go? Can I get a box? 6. Do you take cards? Very important when paying. You want to know if the shop takes credit or debit cards. So ask, do you take cards? Simple, right? Now you try. Do you take cards?
Part 3. At work or school. Now let's move to the office, or the classroom. Everyday phrases to sound more natural. Number 7. I'm running a bit late. You're late, but just a little bit. This phrase sounds polite. Say, hey, I'm running a bit late, but I'll be there soon. Now you try. I'm running a bit late, but I'll be there soon. Number 8. Let me check and get back to you. Very useful at work. If someone asks you something and you're not sure, say, Let me check and get back to you. It shows you're responsible. Try this. Let me check and get back to you. Number 9. That makes sense. This is a great way to show that you understand something. Say, "Oh, okay. That makes sense." "Thanks for explaining. That makes sense now." Say it with me. That makes sense. Part 4. Making plans and invitations. What if you want to meet someone? Make plans. Here are some phrases. Number 10. Want to grab a coffee? This is casual, friendly. You're asking someone to get coffee, together. Say, "Hey, want to grab a coffee later?" "Sure, sounds good." Repeat with me. Want to grab a coffee later? Sounds good. Number 11. Let's catch up soon. Catch up means talk and share news. You can say, "Let's catch up soon," or "We should catch up sometime." Try it. Let's catch up soon. Number 12. I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know. If someone invites you and you're not sure, say, "I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know." It's polite. Not a hard yes, not a no. Repeat. I'll let you know.
Part 5. Expressing feelings and reactions. You need phrases to show emotions, right? Here we go. 13. That's awesome. Awesome means amazing, cool, great. Examples. You got the job? That's awesome. I passed my exam. Awesome, well done. Say it. That's awesome. 14. That's too bad. When someone shares bad news, you say, "That's too bad." It's like saying, "I'm sorry," in a light way. I missed the train. That's too bad. Now you. That's too bad. 15. No worries. This means, it's okay, don't worry, or that's fine. Sorry I'm late. No worries. Try it. No worries. Part 6. Everyday life and chit-chat. These phrases are used all the time, in daily life. 16. What's the plan? You want to know what's happening next. Say, "What's the plan for today?" Or, "So, what's the plan?" You say it. What's the plan? 17. It depends. Someone asks, "Will you go?" You say, "It depends." On what? It depends on the weather. It depends how I feel. Say it with me. It depends. 18. Fingers crossed. This means, I hope it goes well. Example, I have an interview tomorrow. Fingers crossed. You try. Fingers crossed. 19. I'm just messing with you. You were joking. Say, I'm just messing with you. It means I'm only joking. Use it with friends. Say it. I'm just messing with you. 20. I'm not sure. A polite way to say, I don't know. Is the store open today? I'm not sure. Say it with me. I'm not sure. Bonus phrases. Let's quickly go through 10 more phrases you'll hear or use often. It's up to you. You decide. Sounds good. I agree. Hang on a sec. Wait a moment. I've heard that before. It's familiar. I'll be right back. Coming back soon. That's a good point. I agree with your idea. I didn't catch that. Please repeat. Could you say that again? Repeat, please. I get it now. I understand. Talk to you soon. Goodbye. Friendly. Summary and review. Let's take a breath. You did great today. Here's what we learned. We covered daily phrases for greeting and small talk, shopping and eating out, school or work life, making plans, expressing feelings, everyday moments. And you practiced over 30 real-life phrases that native speakers use every day. You listened, you repeated, and most importantly, you learned. And don't worry if you forget a few. Listen again. Practice often. Use the phrases in your life. That's how you get fluent. Final words. Before we finish, I want to remind you, speaking English is not about perfection. It's about connection. It's about confidence. It's about practice. Use these phrases. Speak out loud. Repeat this episode. And speak English a little every day. Thank you so much for joining me on Talklish today. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend or language partner. And follow us for more simple, clear, and practical English every week. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Talk to you soon.